Hi, happy to see you through this video session. Imagine there is a mosquito in the room. Do we know in advance which part of the body the tiny insect is going to bite us? Not possible. But when there is an acute pain along with irritation, suddenly it occurs to our awareness that there is something, the tiny insect is biting us, trying to steal a drop of blood. When there is a pain, immediately our hand reaches out to the place of biting and tries to send away the mosquito or try to scratch the place of biting to soothe us. So, all the time there is the objects inform our consciousness and we come to know about it. That's what knowing is. Imagine you are entering into a deep forest which is unfamiliar to us. When we go deeper into the dense forest, you come to know there are tall trees. Those trees present to our consciousness and we become aware of it. If you are a biologist, then you are able to identify the botanical name of the plant. Similarly, if you are a zoologist, you will be able to identify the zoological name of the animal. So we keep moving inside the interior part of the forest area and there is a culvert and it emerges into our consciousness and we come to know it's a culvert. You see a herd of elephant, you become aware that there is a group of elephants standing out there. So all the time there is the objects present to our consciousness and we become aware of it. So that's what clear knowing is. Up till there is clear knowing, there is perfect communication between the object and our sensorial perceptions. Every moment present to our consciousness and we become aware of it. It is so natural, so intuitive, and whenever we are absent to the present moment, then we complicate the situation. When we go to office, come back in the routine route, we tend to forget about how we traveled all along. We were oblivious of what has happened. So we were absent to the present moment. Every moment unfolds into our consciousness and we become aware of it. So naturally, so spontaneously, when we are totally present to the situation, there is a total transformation of how we respond to the situation. When we are absent to the present moment, there is your knowing is totally tainted, marred by our own colorings of our mind. When it happens, there is default mode network that begins to operate in our brain and we respond to the situation habitually. We respond to the situation with all our fears and frustrations and we continue this miserable life. But when there is clear knowing, there is clarity in our perception, there is clarity in our understanding, and through that natural awareness, we respond beautifully, we respond holistically. That is the essence of meditation. Thank you. See you once again. Bye.